how to set up a Wi-Fi connection manually on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So all we need to do is head over to the Start menu on your computer, go and search for Control Panel and click on this window here. Click on View By in the top right hand side and make sure this is set to category. You can then click on Network and Internet, click on Networking Sharing Center, and then click on Set Up a New Connection or Network. Now click on this third option, which is manually connect to a wireless network, and press next. And now go and enter the name of your network. Now you'll typically be able to find this information on your router itself. So the name of my router is Your Fix Guide, so I'm going to type that in here. Go and select a security type. Now for my router, that's a WPA2 personal connection. And then you can go and enter the security key, which is the password to your Wi-Fi router. Once you've done this, you can decide whether you want to start the connection automatically, and you can also decide whether to connect even if the network's not broadcasting. Now usually we're going to leave this last option unchecked, and then we can go and press next. Now if you need to change any of the settings, you can press on change connection settings, and in order to go and connect to this network, we just need to come down to the Wi-Fi in the bottom right hand side. You can click on the drop down arrow, and then from here you can go and select your network. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.